Hello friends, welcome back to VTech Academy, and in this section we are going to discuss an example relating to the concept the straight line. So here we need to show that the points A, B and C are collinear points and we need to find the equation of line containing them. So let me explain you the meaning of a collinear point. For instance, let us consider a line and these are the points A, B, C on the line. So when set of points lie on the same line, then those points are called as collinear points. And now we need to prove that these three points lie on the same line. So for this, first we need to find the equation of a line containing the points A and B. So equation of line AB will be given by the formula y minus y1 will be equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus of x1. So by comparing these points with x1 and y1, we get x1 equal to A and y1 is equal to B plus C. And similarly, we get x2 is equal to B and y2 will be equal to C plus A. So by substituting all these values in the formula, we get y minus y1, which is B plus C, is equal to y2, that is C plus A, minus of y1, which is B plus C, divided by x2, which is B minus A, into x minus A. So that implies we get here y minus B minus C is equal to C plus A minus B minus C divided by B minus A into x minus A. And then here minus C and plus C gets cancelled as they have opposite signs. So that implies we get y minus B minus C is equal to, and here taking minus as the common factor, we get minus of B minus A divided by B minus E into x minus A. And here these terms gets cancelled. So that implies we get y minus B minus C is equal to minus x plus A. And then transferring these terms to the left hand side, we get x plus y minus B minus C minus A is equal to 0. So this is the equation of a line, and now let us name this as equation 1. And then we need to substitute the point C comma A plus B in equation 1. So that implies we get here C plus of the value of y, which is A plus B minus C and minus A is equal to 0. So here C and minus C gets cancelled, and similarly all these terms gets cancelled as they have opposite signs. So that implies we get here 0 is equal to 0. So therefore we can say that the point C lies on the line AB. So therefore we can say that the points A, B, C are collinear points as they lie on the same line. And the equation of a line containing them is x plus y minus of A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So this is about collinear points and how to find the equation of a straight line containing them. Hope you understood the concept. For more videos, visit our website VTech Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.